What's happening, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Me and Car Keys. This is Driver Seat News, where we talk all things automotive. Now, today's video is actually sponsored by the one, the only, ZENNI.com. Got my new ZENNIs on, all right? More on that later. So, today's video, we are talking about trucks. And we're going to crown the one and only, undisputed Truck King. All right? Now, whoever you thought when I just said Truck King, you're probably right. However, there's a chance that you're actually wrong, okay? But it's all based on the numbers. So we're only talking about truck sales in 2025, and we're only talking about our full-size trucks, so our half-ton trucks, our light-duty, super duties, our dualies, and all the way up, okay? So keep that in mind. Now, we're only talking about the top 5, okay? Technically, there are only 5 options anyway, okay? So starting off at number 5, Toyota. Now, Toyota has a total sales in 2025 of 147,610 units in the United States. That is an incredible number. Wait till you get to the top, all right? Now, there's somewhat of a caveat when it comes to Toyota, so we'll come back to them later on, and you'll understand exactly what I'm talking about. Now, Toyota is also the only non-American brand that's actually on this list, so they deserve a lot of kudos for actually even selling trucks in the United States in the first place, okay? So, they are at number 5. Number 4 on our list is GMC Sierra. GMC has a total sales of 356,218 units in 2025. Now, they are recording record numbers. I don't know if anybody's noticed, but GMC has been recording record numbers. That is a 7.8% increase from the year before, and they've been on that uptick for the last 4 or 5 years. Now, GMC is pretty much pushed by their Denali lineup. Those Denali trucks are incredible. Probably the most luxurious trucks that I've seen, and just in my opinion. But that lands them at number 4 on the list. Number 3 on the list is Ram. Now, Ram has total sales of 374,059 units in 2025. Now, their numbers are kind of interesting as well. The 1500 has total sales of 204,139, which is a 9% increase from the year before. However, the heavy-duty trucks, 169,920, which is down 9% from the year before. So they're kind of dead on even. The 1500 is actually carrying the rest of the lineup, which was probably no surprise because of the popularity of their trucks. Now, I actually thought Ram would be a little higher on this list. I don't want to dwell on it, but Ram has made some questionable decisions in the past couple years when it comes to their trucks. It was the whole, we're not selling the Hemi V8s anymore. We're only going to focus on V8s and EVs. Then they kicked that guy out and they got somebody else in. He said, hey, we're sorry. We're going back to our heritage. We're going to bring the Hemi V8 back. And I think it left a lot of their customers kind of confused and kind of ticked off at the same time. I don't know. Then they decided, hey, we're not going to sell the TRX anymore. It was a whole thing, okay? Anyway, they're at number 3 on our list. Number 2, you guessed it, Chevrolet. Chevrolet has total sales in 2025, 577,434 trucks. That is incredible. Now, Chevrolet, like I said, it's no surprise. Chevrolet has always been at the top or near the top of the list for truck sales in the United States since what, the 50s or something like that? Like, it's been forever, right? So nobody's surprised about Chevrolet. That leaves number 1 on our list. You guessed it, Ford F-Series trucks. Number 1, again, total sales for F-Series trucks. Get this number. 828,832 units sold in the United States in 1 year in 2025. That is an insane amount of trucks sold, okay? That is walloping the competition completely. 828,832 units. Wow. Now, Ford already came out and said that they are the truck king, right? Obviously, they are, looking at the numbers. And they've been the truck king for 49 years. Not just 49 years, 49 consecutive years. Ford has been the truck king in the United States. They've already had a whole campaign letting everybody know they're the truck king in the United States. Are you surprised? Let me know. Put in the comments below. Let me know. This is where things get a little shaky, all right? You got Ford Motor Company, 800 28,832 units. On this side, you have Chevrolet, GMC, which are under the umbrella of General Motors. According to General Motors, those two units should be put together to have a total number. What do you think? GMC Sierra, Chevrolet Silverado, they're not the same truck, but they kind of are. Like, I don't want to offend anybody by saying this, but for a long number of years, they've had the same exact body styles. They've had the same exact engines. For years, they had the same exact components, the same exact interiors, the steering wheel's the same. I don't know. Now, that varies depending on what trim level you're on in the lineup, but it's kind of technically the same truck. I don't know. Putting out there. No offense to anybody. So, if that is the case, now this is what General Motors is saying. So if this is the case, Ford's total sales, 828,832 units. You put General Motors and Sierra, if you put the Chevy Silverado, GMC Sierra together, they have a total sales 944,927, officially making General Motors the truck king of the United States, not Ford. I'm supposed to tell you guys something. I was supposed to tell you guys about ZENNI.com. ZENNI.com is the place to go for all your glasses needs. I've worn glasses pretty much all my life. The last 10, 12 years, every single pair of glasses that I've gotten is from one place, ZENNI.com, all right? ZENNI.com, what I love about them is that they have a huge variety of frames, whether you need glasses, whether you need shades, whether you need glasses for sports, whether you need goggles, whatever it is, they have a huge variety for you to choose from. I use glasses nowadays as accessories. As you see, I was trying to match. I got close. Anyway, if you wear glasses like I do, check out the link in the description below for ZENNI.com. I guarantee they got what you need. Pow. This is where things get shakier. Ford says, okay, fine. That's how we're gonna do it. That's how we're gonna do it. Okay, cool. Let's add total truck sales across the entire lineup, including midsize trucks. Let's see what happens. Now, remember earlier I said we're gonna go back to Toyota. That's where Toyota comes back in. Now, it doesn't make that much of a difference between the top two, but I said we're gonna go back to Toyota. Toyota has, I told you their truck sales was 147,610 units for the Toyota Tundra. The Toyota Tacoma is actually the biggest truck seller for Toyota, 274,638 units. Now, this is normal, right, for Toyota. Normally, the Toyota Tacoma outsells the Tundra, which is kind of weird in the United States because people seem to prefer full-size trucks. That number for Toyota Tacoma is actually a record. That was actually record sales in 2025 for their Tacoma, which is awesome. So that gives them a total of 422,248 units. Now that officially moves them up on the list if we're talking total truck sales. Ram doesn't have a midsize truck, right? They scrapped the EV truck, so they don't have any other sales. There's rumors of the Dodge Dakota coming back, but that's still yet to be seen. We don't know what's gonna happen with that. So we're talking about total truck sales. Let's talk about General Motors because they're the most complex because they have two different brands. Chevy has the Silverado. They also have their EV truck. The EV truck sold 11,275 units. The Chevrolet Colorado, most people forget about that truck. Chevrolet Colorado has 77,390 units, which is actually a great number as well. And then you go to GMC. GMC has their EV truck, 7,996 units, and they have the GMC Canyon, 36,477 units. They also have, you didn't forget about this, did you? The Hummer EV, which is kind of the caveat here. You'll see why. Hummer EV sells 15,788 units, which is pretty good for an electric truck. That leaves General Motors total truck sales, 1,082,578 units. Going back down to Ford. Ford's F-Series, we talked about Ford's F-Series earlier. Ford's EV truck, the F-150 Lightning, 27,307 units, which is also pretty good. Ford also has two midsize trucks, the Ford Ranger and the Ford Maverick. Now, shockingly, the Ford Maverick outsold the Ford Ranger by a lot. Ford Ranger has 70,960 units. The Ford Maverick had 155,051 units, which was kind of a surprise to a lot of people. That brings Ford's total truck sales 1 million. Wait a minute. Now, I told you General Motors total truck sales, 1,082,578 82,578. This brings Ford's total truck sales 1,082,150, which still leaves General Motors being the actual truck king in the United States. But wait, says Ford, that's not fair. That's not fair. I told you there was a caveat earlier. When we were talking about General Motors, we're talking about GMC, we're talking about the Hummer EV. Their total sales, 15,788. That includes the Hummer EV truck and the Hummer EV SUV. They, for whatever reason, do not report those numbers separately because they are on the same platform or whatever. Whatever the case may be, they don't report those numbers separately. So we don't know what the actual numbers are. So that could tilt the scale in Ford's favor. We don't know. Now, it's not fair that GMC can add the Hummer EV's numbers in there, including the SUV, because we don't know, like I said, we don't know what's sold more or how much each sold. According to General Motors, what Ford is doing isn't fair either. Now, one of the reasons that they're the truck king or that they're selling so many trucks is that this includes fleet sales. So, you go to work or you go to any business or whatever, and you see your construction site and you look at what trucks are out there. A lot of times they're Ford trucks. Part of the reason is because Ford sells a ton of fleet trucks. And when I say fleet trucks, I mean like work trucks. If I go to my job, there are Ford trucks everywhere. That's it. It's only Ford trucks. There are Mavericks. There are actually even Ford Lightnings at my job. So, and it's literally all Ford trucks, all Ford vans, Ford, period. According to General Motors, it's not fair that they can add those numbers, but according to Ford, a sale is a sale. Even if it's to a company and not to a person, a actual personal use vehicle, is still a sale. Sale's a sale. So it kind of depends on which one you believe or which one you agree with. These are the sales numbers. So what do you guys think? Who is the actual truck king? It's kind of like we crowned the truck king, or we kind of didn't, and we can't really give a tie. Like I said, we had those Hummer EV numbers that we could actually give an actual number, but since we don't have those numbers because they don't report them, it's kind of hard to actually crown a truck king. So let me get you guys' opinion. Let me know what you guys think. Next time you're out somewhere, you're out in the valley, on the road somewhere, look around and tell me what truck you see the most, okay? And it probably varies depending on where you live, but just let me know, all right? So thanks for watching another video on me and Kaki's channel. This is Driver Seat News. I actually very thoroughly enjoyed doing this video. The next time we'll do mid-size trucks because that number is also very interesting, okay? And there are a lot more options, all right? So thanks for watching another video on me and Kaki's channel. This is Driver Seat News. Till next time, I'll see you.